Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very easy burlap and jute flowers. So let's get started. I'm reusing a bag for my Indian basmati rice and I'm using the inside. If you don't have burlap, you can make your flowers with felt. I'm doing a series of 6 different types of jute and burlap flowers. And then after I've done all of these videos, I'm going to show you how to make a birdhouse out of a milk carton using these flowers. And today we're doing number 1. I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. I have a cover here. Trace around it like that and then cut them out. For the leaf, I just cut out a piece of paper in just a shape that would resemble a leaf. So I have the petals and the leaves. And I'm just going to bring over some jute twine, or you could use yarn from your yarn stash. And I have my hot glue gun. And I have a small container of water for dipping my fingers in, and that will allow me to touch the hot glue without getting burned. So I'm going to start on this one. So just lay a very small line of hot glue just to get started. Now wet my fingers so I won't get burned. I'm just going to go all the way around. Like that. Now I'm going to do that to all of these. Okay, I've got all my petals done, and now I'm going to cut them out. Like that. I have all 5 done. Now I'm going to work on my leaves. Like that. And now I'm going to cut them out. Okay, I have a bead for the center. So now I'm going to show you how to put it together. Okay, I'm going to put some glue here. And then layer the next petal. I'm just going to continue around. And bring them together like that. Glue my bead in the center. And then I can glue my 2 leaves on the sides. Like that. And that's how easy it is to make these jute and burlap flowers. And after I've done videos for all the flowers, I'm going to show you how to make a birdhouse from a milk carton.